Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert stock chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it in Excel. So firstly you need to select your area like this. You need to select this chart. So firstly select this area and click on insert and this option insert pie. So just simply click on this drop down small and more pie charts, and now you see here stock. You see here this stock option, so just click on it, and this high low close or open high low close or more will be there, more styles. So select anyone which you like this one, and click on OK. You click on OK, and your chart will be insert very easily. So this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video.